you do proper breathing, or I've tried lots of times to do all this proper breathing, do the right thing, but I still find that whenever I try and sort of belt out part of the song, I still find myself wanting to cough at the end of it, or that there's something scratchy in my throat. Is that because I'm not breathing right, or is that, well, what's that about?
That means your larynx is tightening up. If you're getting a scratchiness in the throat, it means you're doing this. So what you always want to do is you want to look into the mirror when you're singing, guys. Huge tip, look into the mirror. It's fantastic. So if you see your neck tightening up, it's giving you it's saying, hey, look, we need help. Use this a little bit more, focus more on this. Keep your hand on your diaphragm and feel it working for you. So that's what you want to do. Another big one is raising your head up like that. You can hear my outer laryngeal muscles are constricting my larynx now. So just watch your posture as well too. Singing, I used to do this a lot in choir. They used to get me to sing arias with a book on my head, but then I found out if you don't wash your hair, you can pretty much go like that. Then they tied me to a broomstick, but you know, that was a long time ago. But yeah, just watch your posture, look at yourself in the mirror, and use this, and keep it relaxed. If the song's too high, maybe change the key, go to falsetto, but you shouldn't be feeling any coughing or discomfort like that. Excellent. No other questions regarding breathing?